Welcome. If you're looking to add your workplace to your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the latest update so you can showcase your professional experience with ease. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the About section. This is usually found just below your cover photo or in the menu on the left side of your profile. Click on About to continue. Inside the About section, you'll see a variety of options related to your personal information. Find and select Work and Education. This is the area where you can manage all your professional and academic details. Once you're in the Work and Education section, look for the option that says Add a Workplace. Click on it, and a new window will pop up, allowing you to enter your workplace information. Now, fill in the fields with your details. Start by typing the name of your workplace. You can also add your position, the city or town where you work, and the time period you've been there. If you want, you can even write a short description about your role or responsibilities. Take a moment to review everything you've entered. Once you're happy with the information, look for the Save button at the bottom of the window and click it. That's it. You've successfully added your workplace to your Facebook page using the latest update on your PC. Now, your friends and followers can see where you work, making your profile even more complete and professional. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.